how to remove DDR3 RAM slot from a perfectly working laptop. Everything's fine with that laptop. I just they're taken apart and sell it as a parts. So it's two little connectors, two little connectors with holding that RAM stick. You just push aside both of them. Here, click, and you can easily pull them out. So that's it. It's all about that today. That link will be in the description below. There will be 2 links, one eBay and one my own personal site, which is I can't sell on eBay externally from UK, and on my personal website I can sell all over the globe. Thank you so much for watching.